Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Tara. I asked in the last video what you'd like to see next, and you guys have really been loving my Instant Pot recipe videos. So I thought it would be really fun today for us to do a meal prepping Instant Pot recipe, and it could not get any simpler. If you have never meal prepped before, you guys are gonna absolutely love this. We're gonna be making a simple Mediterranean chicken and couscous salad. This recipe is so perfect for a busy work week. It's great warm, it's great cold, it's great for traveling. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of it. Both the chicken and the couscous are gonna cook at the same time inside of the Instant Pot, so it really could not get any simpler. We're also gonna be making a yogurt dill dressing to go along with this that is gonna absolutely blow you guys away. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button below, and be sure to hit the bell icon, that way you're notified each time I post a new video. Okay guys, let's hop right into the video. Here are all of the ingredients we will be using today. They will also be in the description box below. To start, we're going to grab our lemons. These are organic lemons since we are zesting it and eating the outside of it. So I'm just zesting it as best I can and trying really hard to not get the white in it since that is extra bitter. Then I'm going to slice both of these in half, and I'm going to make this super simple right now by juicing them now. So I'm just juicing all 4 halves of these 2 lemons. Now it's time for our Instant Pot, so I have it set to saute on high. I've put a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil in it, and I'm just placing the 3 chicken breasts straight down. I have rinsed this chicken breast and trimmed it down, and I'm just putting some salt and pepper. I'm letting the chicken really brown, so I'm leaving it on the bottom of the pot and not disturbing it for at least 40 seconds or so. And now I'm just flipping it over. This recipe is really simple. If you wanted to skip the browning step, you probably can. I haven't tried it, but I imagine it will still work pretty well too. I feel like the browning of it just gives it extra flavor. So now I'm pouring some water into the pot, and I'm deglazing the bottom of this pot. It's really important to scrape the bottom like I'm doing with my spoon to get any burn bits off. Then I'm putting the garlic better than bouillon in. It is so absolutely delicious, and I'm adding about half of the lemon juice. So that's the lemon juice from 1 lemon. And then I'm just putting the chicken straight in the bottom, and of course I don't want to forget the zest. I'm using half of the zest here, and I'm just going to use my spoon to try to get it as even as possible on top of all of the chicken. Then I'm placing my trivet all the way down, and now I've placed my heat-proof glass bowl, the couscous, and the water, and I'm going to put the other half of the lemon juice straight in and a little bit of the garlic better than bouillon just to give it extra flavor. And then I'm going to add the rest of the lemon zest and just stir it up with some salt and pepper, and we are ready to pressurize this thing. So I'm making sure my silicone ring is on. Cancel the saute, and I'm setting it to high pressure for 4 minutes. Then I'm going to allow a natural pressure release for 10 minutes. That's very important so the chicken stays moist and the couscous can finish cooking. So now I've opened it up, and look at this. This couscous is cooked absolutely perfect. Look at that. Fluffy and delicious. So I'm carefully removing it. I'm going to take the trivet out, and then I'm going to take out all of the chicken. I'm not going to make a sauce this time because we're going to use the yogurt dill sauce, but you can keep this sauce on the bottom and use it as a stock later. So now I am going to cut the chicken up. I want to show you just how incredibly moist this chicken is. It was actually hard to cut it because it wanted to shred. You can see here it just wants to shred. So if you want to shred this chicken, you absolutely can. 4 minutes, 10 minutes of natural pressure release, and it's perfect. So now I'm grabbing a cucumber and I'm just dicing it up. And I have some fresh dill and some fresh Italian parsley. Look at this. This couscous looks absolutely delicious. So I decided to put it in a bigger bowl to make it a little bit easier. And so I'm going to put a drizzle of olive oil so it doesn't stick together. And then we're going to start building this salad. This salad meal preps really, really well. So I'm putting the dill, the parsley, the cucumber, and then I'm just giving everything a great mix. You can make this in advance and it's good for about 3 portions, or even 4 you can stretch it out to. Then I'm putting some cherry tomatoes inside of here. I love cherry tomatoes. I find it works a lot better to leave them whole. Then I'm just putting a handful of garlic stuffed olives. I absolutely love olives. If you don't like olives, leave them out. And I'm just stirring everything really well. And now it is going to be time to make our delicious dressing. Wait until you see how easy this dressing is. So I'm using some yogurt as the base. This yogurt dill dressing is so incredibly creamy and delicious. I like to use my homemade yogurt in this recipe, and if you have not seen that video yet, I will link it up in the cards and also in the description box below. But if you don't have any homemade yogurt, you can also use store-bought. I like to use the Greek yogurt, plain and unsweetened. Next, we're gonna add the apple cider vinegar. This is a key ingredient for this dressing to be absolutely delicious. And then I'm just squeezing some lemon juice right in there. And then I'm adding some more of that delicious dill, some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna just grate in 1 garlic clove. I also like to use the dill weed. Even though we have fresh, I also like to use the dry. Just give it a really good shake. And now I'm just showing you how I kind of spoon it on. And look at this, 3 delicious portions. Of course, to meal prep this, I would leave the dressing separate. What did you think of today's video? Drop me a comment below and let me know a recipe that you would really love for me to share. If you liked today's video and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends, your family, your coworkers, or anyone else that you know that is interested in healthy but delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.